Lucky Charms, healthy Lucky Charms.
Thank you.
Toast,
Butter and jelly.
omelet. Terry got a banana, oatmeal,
Oh, thank you, Leon.
toast, and fruit. there's no place for anything. Look at that sandwich that Gina got.
It looks good today.
It's a
Gina.
broken egg sandwich.
Broken egg.
And then, I don't know what those are on his plate.
Oh, thank you.
For Frank. And then he got his croissants.
Thank you.
Bringing in the catch. Not sure what it is. It's shell, you know that.
That hurts.
That was very loud. I'd like you to tell everybody what you just did. Look at the poor guy.
I fixed it.
His ears are crooked.
No.
She sat on him.
I sat on it because he has a long trunk.
Yeah, we're not even going there. All right, we'll see you on shore. All right, well, good morning.
Good morning. We're in Canada.
Yeah, Prince Rupert.
Canada.
No.
Prince
Prince
Rupert, Canada.
Rupert. Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You know, it's like going to Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Yeah.
That's too
Well,
much
we're
writing
here.
for me. I'm lazy and I don't like to write, so
We're getting off
I'm
the
just
ship.
saying it.
We're getting off the ship, and it don't seem like there's a lot to do, so we might be getting on sooner
Yeah,
than we think.
so-
But at least it's not raining. It is a little cold, but we'll see what's out there.
Yeah, we'll let you know
Yeah.
but whether it's worth it. Because right now, from looking from the top of the ship,
Not a lot.
we don't see anything in the port. So,
Yeah.
all right. You never know. We could hop on a bus like we did yesterday.
Yeah, we
never
might
know.
do something.
All right. We'll see you.
All right, bye.
All right, so this is your dock. Only room for one gangway. There's your shippy. But at least it's a covered awning, not like yesterday. All right, making our way up. Here's the cowboy tours. All right, so these are your little sale places, or crates. Shipping crates. As you can see here, there's not a lot to do at the port. A couple little shopping places, but not a lot to do. So this is pretty much it in Prince Rupert. One little shop here. And then that's the pier back there. And book yourself an excursion because there's nothing else to do. All the highways and byways with cars moving. This is your port information center, where they're actually trying really to help us find out what they're unloading down there. So we walked all the way down here. I'm not sure what that is. We'll go check it out. But hopefully what's behind us is the thing coming. Like I said, clear skies. What we're looking for is eagles. There's supposed to be an eagle thing down here. I haven't seen any. And so we saw another one. I didn't get a picture of the first one that flew right over us, but there's a bald eagle.
There you go.
All right, so we spotted this bridge. You can't see it through there. There's another eagle over in the tree there, but we're gonna go on this bridge over here and see what we can spot.
Does it stay on the path?
Could go down there, but we're
That's
not.
Hayes Creek Trail.
Yeah, we could go down to Hayes Creek Trail down this, but it's a little wet. We're not gonna go. We're gonna go across the bridge. So we were gonna go across that bridge,
It looks like
but we're not anymore.
Is it wheelchair? Yeah. Yeah, I think our golf cart or something got 2 wheels on it.
Oh no!
Look at all those. Must be a
Tsunami
bunch
hazard
more.
zone.
Huh?
I said there's big pipes and stuff down there going to that.
Okay, I'm not seeing much. Who's that guy?
Talking to somebody. There's some guy trying to pick them up already.
Damn dames.
He's probably telling him the story about this place, which is cool, you know?
There's your pub. And that's pretty much it, folks, in the port. Now this is historic Cow Bay. Or they take care of everybody here.
See, look. Oh. Terry, look. Did you get in there? Raylan. She's in the phone booth. Where's she?
Opa Sushi. Now, this is on your side street. It's right by the port. Oops. So we got a fish market and a restaurant. Dolly's Fish Market Restaurant. Alright, you also got you a ice cream place, an artesian bakery. Remember, to get down to the cruise ship, you gotta go back right back down that road and turn left.
They said the doctor showed up. Well, look who it is.
Alright, so if you didn't look at the stack, if you just basically looked like that, it would almost look like an apartment complex behind that hill. So we're 1 block over from the port, and they have a casino. Now, I will tell you about the casino. I'm not going in it, but I know they did the same thing when I went to Toronto. Everything you do in there is Canadian money. They don't use American money like a lot of other countries do. And then you have the hassle of trying to get it turned back into American money. And it was a hassle when we were in Toronto. For some reason, these people I'm with, they think everywhere you go, you got to go to
Walmart.
a Walmart. And that's probably the world's smallest Walmart I've ever seen. Right here in Canada. When you're in a port and you really don't know the shortest route back, those are all crew members. Well, not them people, those people are just weird. But just follow the crew. There's the shortcut back to the ship. All right, there's your main street over there. So we cut through. I just showed you. Come down these stairs. And then just walk down right in front of the seafood place and right back into that building onto the ship. keeps you from going all the way around the park and everywhere else. So again, follow the crew. Okay, where are we going?
We're going to dinner, and then I'm going to go play in the casino because it's Friday the 13th, and I'm feeling so lucky.
She's gonna gamble.
I'm gonna go
At
gamble.
Shockers.
And win.
I got almost 6,000 points. She has 120 some points.
Yes, I do. But then
and
that's not
and
lucky
it's
night.
killing her.
It's Friday the 13th. It's lucky.
Oh, I want to show you something. Hold on. Here is the best cabin steward
How are you doing?
ever.
Superman.
This is
I am
Superman.
Superman from
Superman, look.
Indonesia.
Superman. From where?
Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah, he's the
Shocker.
This is Patrick, okay?
Yep. Best guy ever.
Thank you very
We've
much.
had more wet clothes than you can shake a stick out on this cruise, and he's taken care of.
Yes, he has.
All right,
Thank
have fun.
you.
All right,
enjoy.
brother.
Okay?
All right, man.
Thank you very
you.
much.
Yep. Terry got French onion soup. I got French onion soupy. Second appetizer, stuffed with mushrooms. Yummy, yummy. All right, Terry got the chicken parm, but she also got the kids spaghetti because on Carnival they don't put spaghetti with their chicken parm, and I don't get it. And I got the crab linguine. Yum, yum. Terry got healthy watermelon. And I got tiramisu.
Terry, do you want one of these?
All right, babe, where are we going?
We're going to, oh, I forgot.
Family feud. We're gonna have a family feud right here. All right, so we're heading down there now. As we're so full, we can't hardly move. I think we overate. It's not what I ate for dinner. It's what I ate for lunch and dinner.
What do you ate all day?
Yeah. All right, we're going through the casino. I'll show you.
All right, here we go.
Yep, we're going through this smoky mess. Got to get something about it, Carnival. Can't stand the cigarette smoke. Sorry. We came in the room tonight, and this is what we had waiting on us. This is from Adam, the cruise director. We knew Adam when Adam was still a little shy, and now he's not shy anymore, trust me. But anyway, so we got us some cookies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So Carrie will enjoy those. All right, thanks, Adam. There's Yoki concentrating. Don't spill it, Yoki.
Every job.
Every drop, yeah, okay.
Good till the last drop. All right, well, good evening. Our last stop today in Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada.
Canada.
Too many names.
It started out real wet and cold, but then it got really nice, and we walked around the town.
Yeah,
all around
you know when it
4 miles.
You know when it got nice? After we got soaked.
After we got wet.
Anyway, you go to Prince Rupert, not really a lot to do unless you book an excursion. So book an excursion if you go there. Alrighty.
We had a good day. It's late. We just came back from the 18 and over family food show.
Yeah, we did both of them tonight, as you saw.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was. Alright, but anyway, so tomorrow's sea day, day after the sea day, then back to San Francisco, and then the flight home all the way back to Florida. So, alright, we're going to leave you with that, and we will see you tomorrow morning.
Got a martini.
And we got a martini, and we drink them because they're so good.
And this is a strong one. Ooh.
And Yoki makes them.
Yoki made it.
Alright, so we'll see you in the morning.
Very good. Good night.
Good night. Oh, I don't get any. Certainly not.
It's his martini, not mine.
Oh, and don't forget to get a duck part.
Oh,
I slept like a rock last night.
you might get one tomorrow.
I might. Good night.
Night.